Now, I'd like to talk about something that is changing the future of work faster than anything we have seen before. So this is the artificial intelligence or AI. So whether we like it or not, AI is already becoming part of our everyday lives. It helps us reach for information, write emails, create content, analyze data, solve problems, automate repetitive tasks. And this is only the beginning. Some people are afraid that AI will replace jobs. Others believe AI will create more opportunities than ever before. Personally, I believe the future belongs to those who learn how to adapt. Now, everyone is talking about ChatGPT. Some people use Claude, others use Gemini. But if you are running an affiliate marketing business using Facebook ads, there is another AI tool that most affiliate marketers completely ignore. And it's called the Meta AI Business Assistant. And if you are running Meta ads every day, this tool could save you hours of frustration. Today, I will show you how I use Meta AI Business Assistant to help manage my affiliate marketing business. It is not here to replace ChatGPT or Claude. Instead, it's another AI tool that understands Meta Ads ecosystem and can help answer many Facebook advertising questions much faster. So as you can see here, I am currently in one of my accounts. And you will see here on the right hand side, so let me just X this one. So let's say you are in your ad campaign. So you will see here this moving icon. When you click this moving icon, you will be redirected to this Meta AI Business Assistant. So you will see here some prompts like, why is my CPC for the July 23rd ad set? What do I need to review for my one draft published? And would my 12.85% CTR benefits from A/B testing? You can ask Meta AI Business Assistant based on what's happening in your campaign. Whether this is in campaign level or ad set level, Meta can give you some answer here. Let's say, which landing page performs best in my July 23 campaign. All you need to do is just click this send and you will see here Meta AI Business Assistant is reviewing my request. And here's the performance snapshot. Meta AI Business Assistant will even give me the name of my landing page. So you will see here Nancy, landing page 8, demonstrated significantly higher engagement efficiency than the first person story of Brenda, landing page 10. And you will see here the landing page engagement gap. You will see here my top performer ad, which is 44% more efficient than its counterpart. And it will also give you some recommendations here. And if you want to ask the Meta AI, you can just click this Ask Meta AI. So you can see here, there is this open sidebar. So when you click this one, you will see your chat with the Meta AI Business Assistant. So you will see here, I have this landing page analysis. I have this verify my pixel setup. So you can ask any questions related to your issues inside your ad account. And you can also even schedule tasks here. So you can ask Meta AI to schedule tasks, set reminders, or monitor your campaign. So you will see here it's active. So there are some suggestions here. Snapshot every 3 days. If let's say you are running your affiliate marketing campaign ads here in Meta, so get a reminder to review your campaign budgets on every, let's say, next Monday. So you can just click here to close this scheduled task. So you can utilize this Meta AI Business Assistant when you start running your ad campaign, or maybe you are encountering some issues on your pixel setup, communicating it with your affiliate marketing platform like Clickbank or Buy Goods. You can ask any questions here, and Meta AI Business Assistant can help you solve that issue. And today, AI is changing how business are built and operated. The question isn't whether AI will continue to grow. It will. The real question is, will you learn how to use it to your advantage? When I started my online business journey after quitting my job in 2012, AI tool like the ones we have today simply didn't exist. Building an online business required far more time, more manual work, and a lot of trial and error. Today, affiliate marketers have access to tools that can help accelerate learning, improve productivity, automate repetitive tasks, and accomplish more in less time. So that's an incredible advantage. But technology alone doesn't create success. So let me repeat this. Technology alone doesn't create success. Without the right direction, it's easy to become overwhelmed by endless tools, trends, and information. I believe AI should never replace your thinking. It should amplify it. It should never replace your creativity. It should help you create faster. So imagine combining your experience, your decision making, and your ambition with the power of today's technology. That's where real opportunity begins. And if you'd like to learn more about building and scaling affiliate marketing campaigns using Facebook ads, funnels, tracking, testing, and conversion strategies, check out my Udemy course, Affiliate Marketing Mastery. Inside the course, I walk you through the complete system I use, from setting up campaigns and tracking conversions to optimizing and scaling profitable affiliate marketing campaigns step by step. If the course is included in your Udemy personal plan, you can simply subscribe and start learning right away. Otherwise, you can enroll whenever you are ready. And you will find the link in the description below, and I hope to see you inside the course, and thanks for watching.